everybody. Today I'm gonna explain or teach you about the glowworm. Have anybody have an idea of what a glowworm is?
Is it one of those worms that live in the caves and stuff and they glow?
You're right. Yeah, glowworm and they glow as well. They're very tiny insects and they glow at night to attract okay, we're gonna talk about more later. So the glowworm are basically not actually a worm like those worms, but they are also insect, and they have. If I want to start from the last circle, they are from eggs, and then larva, and then pupae, and then adult. So there's 4 stages, and which we're gonna go through here. So, okay, let's go through here on the board. So I'm gonna go one by one. I'm not sure it's gonna fit in here.
And so it's that's a special type of energy. Another special word we're looking at today is melting. Now, can anyone tell me what melting is?
Okay, so life cycle of glowworm start from eggs.
Yeah, that's right. Beautiful.
Like
Something goes from being
eggs.
very hard and firm to be
And then
soft and smooth.
after
So
these eggs, they are taking 10 to 15 days.
Particles. And these are the
And
little
after 10 to
tiny
15 days
building
from
blocks that
eggs,
make up
they
everything. We can't
are
see them, but they're
next
there.
stage
So we need
where
to
they call
remember
it
that they're
new
there.
larva.
And we've got
New larvae, sorry.
vibration.
And then in this new larvae, they started to look like
These little particles
Sorry,
shake all
like-
the time. So
Like a
we
tadpole.
need to remember that.
yeah,
And we
like
need to remember
like
one
this
last
level.
special word,
And-
and that is bonds.
sorry.
And these bonds hold.
So in this new
everything
larvae,
together.
they
That's our last special word.
they
They're our-
basically
they're our
need to
special
eat a
words.
lot of food. They need to consume a lot of
So
food
back
because
to our question.
they're
Why
not
does chocolate melt? So if
as big as
we
the
were to
adults
draw
one.
a block of chocolate, this is
So
our
this
just one little cube of that chocolate.
during this new larvae, to be
And
able
if
to
you were
consume
to
food,
imagine
they build
this
traps
block
to
is
capture
built up
their
all these
prey and then
tiny
eat
little
food.
particles,
And they
all
stay in
lined
this
up
stage
nice and
for
in rows. We
300
can't see them because
to
they're really small, but they are all there. And they just
350 days.
lined up
Wow.
nice
That's
and
more than a year.
And if you were to
Yes.
look at them
Yeah,
even
they stay in
closer,
there for 350 days. Yeah, I know. And then, like
Could
I
have failed
said,
together.
yeah, and after that they move
particles are there.
to the next stage where they call pupae. So in pupae, they started to form shell,
And what they have to do
and
to
it will
warm
basically will
is they
look
move
like
arms. And these are our
they look
special
like-
bonds. So all of our little particles are there.
It looks like a little alien.
yeah.
All linking arms
And then,
together
like you
the
said,
whole
they will
time,
start
so
forming
they don't get cold.
the tail.
And that's what all of these
And
particles are doing.
this is
all
called
in rows, and they're all nice and locked together tight.
Pupae.
So if you could pretend
And
you were
so,
cold,
like
you
in
would
this
be
stage,
nice and close to something.
Like a butterfly, they will live in the cocoon, the shell, to go through what is called metamorphosis. So what that means is that they will create like a butterfly, like during this shell, they will go in here, and then they will grow, and then they will go through adults to go into the next life. I mean the next stage. So they stay here for 10 to 15 days.
That's another good one. What's another one?
Yeah, and then and after they completing their adult life in the cocoon,
Yeah, on the barbecue. That's right.
they go through the next stage called adults.
So pretend.
Imagine
if we
they
put
go
our
through
block of
adults,
chocolate out in the sun,
life of the glowworm. So they
busy being hot and warm.
this time they were fully grown.
The sun is sending energy.
I will
to
draw
warm
both
up
male and
this
female.
block of chocolate, and it sends the energy in the form of heat.
They have wings.
Can you remember
Uh,
our special
And they
form of
bottom
energy
on
that
the
we're
side.
learning is heat?
In this
And
adult
so the sun
stage,
sends all of
this is
energy
a-
to
this is a
us
male version.
everywhere, and to this special block
this
of
is a
chocolate
female.
in the form of heat. Now what happens when this heat gets to these little guys here,
Female is much larger than the male.
they start.
Does it have wings as well?
cold,
No, they don't. Yeah, they
and
don't
then
have.
instead of
Thank
shivering,
you for that.
so it gets
They don't have wings.
Good shooter.
Okay. And it's funny. They live here very long, but once they become adults,
really tight, they just hold hands.
they live
And they start to
only
dance because they've got
um,
energy.
only 2 to 5 days.
And so they just
Oh,
hold
wow.
hands, but
Yeah.
because they're holding hands,
They live only 2
That
to 5
sucks.
days.
further apart
Yeah.
they can be.
Once the male become adults, they have to go and look for
And
the
so they
partner
start dancing
and
with lots
for
more.
mating, and then they breed.
And so they start
For
to
male,
sing
as soon as they finish mating, breeding,
start
they
to
die.
Just move about, and this
So,
guy here
Yeah.
might decide that
So
I'd be a single
die
Pringle for the rest of my life.
I might just
after
my way
breeding.
down here. And they just sort of start
So
to
same
slide
thing goes to
everywhere.
female.
And because
After
they
breeding,
don't
after
have
she
to be
lay
stacked
eggs,
nice and tight in rows to keep warm, they've got all this
she lay eggs
they can move about.
40
but
to
they do
50
still have to hold hands. They're
eggs
not-
at
they're
once,
not breaking that.
and then after
There's
she lay
bonds
eggs,
that hold
soon
their
after
hands
she
together.
die as well,
They're just
following after the
moving
male.
Ah,
Yeah.
some more energy.
And then
that's not a good life.
Now,
especially
what
both
happens if we
adults'
start to
life, they
improve our
have
chocolate?
no mouth,
Now we've got guys dancing.
therefore
down
no
here
food.
all the way.
What, for males?
And then
Oh, the eggs.
we take
No,
away
the adult's
some
life.
again.
Oh.
Yeah.
What a
So-
shitty time, like what a bad life, like you're living as an
Yeah, so
adult. You
because
just,
they live only for 2 to 5 days,
so they
and
didn't
then they
eat.
don't have
And
mouth,
to these little
and so
guys.
therefore they don't eat food. Can you have a guess what energy they rely
It's
on?
gonna get cold again. So guess what they're gonna do? All
sun.
these guys down here.
The body,
they're gonna live
from the
carbs
body,
again.
they store the energy during this stage. Remember
Ah.
they consume here during these days and these days.
Dancing.
So they store their energy in the body.
So these guys
So
start
during 2 to 5 days, they rely on that energy from the body.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why they consume
And all of a
the
sudden
food.
they've gone from a nice square.
Okay, so that's, and then basically it go back to this
And
stage,
then the
eggs.
wall's gone away.
So we have eggs, new larva, and then pupae, and then adults, and then go back to eggs.
If we put a bit
Okay,
of
so
chocolate in the fridge, in the sun for a while.
let's talk about where
Put
they
it in the
live.
fridge.
They mostly live
This will
in
go
the
back to
dumb
its nice and
caves,
it
like you
stays
said.
in its-
And how they track their prey is that, let's say this is a dumb, and they live around here.
It's the energy in the form
To
of
be able to
that
capture
allows
their
these
prey, they
particles
produce these liquids.
move
They
about
call it mucus
to
glands.
stop
So
moving.
they will start
And that's what
producing
melting
glands
is
like
when-
this,
When we get
like this,
energy,
down from
enough
the egg.
energy to
Yum.
So
move apart
and then
start.
at night they will glow.
And
So when they glow, imagine for insects or birds,
and when they're just shivering.
they will look it up and then it glow during the night. So they will think that this is the sky.
That's how it works.
That's
why
cool.
So they fly up. So when they fly up, they capture here. They trap in here. And then when the insects or their prey is captured here, they either pull up the glands or go down to the gland to eat the prey. So they can either cut off the prey if it is too much for them, too big for them, or they can just like pull up. If it is too long, they can just pull up and then eat.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
I love the
So and
the story.
the
And cuddling up.
the glow worm, they are glowing, and but if if it is disturbed, they stop glowing.
Play out in a class.
Yeah.
from
Yeah.
kids
And
I wondered whether
they, like I said, they live in a cave, they live in a stream and valley wall as well. So the glow that they produce is made up of it's a byproduct of, they call it excretion, and
Is that their poo?
I love that for myself.
no, it's the glow, it's the glow.
Oh.
Yeah, why it make it glow,
I
and
think you incorporate that, like the story, the pictures, the
sorry.
things.
That's okay.
Yeah, so they like these glands, they can be as long as 500 millimeter long, and then it will take them 15 minutes to make this gland, this long gland.
Is it like just like really thick mucus?
Yeah,
Yeah.
like thin mucus and then things like that. Yeah, so that's basically about the life cycle of glowworm. If you have any question, you may ask. If not,
That was great.
Thank you, Mrs.
Thank you.
Ariel.
thank you.